ano ba ang mga what are the things or activities that BPO companies right now in the Philippines are doing na to at least to help out the employees, the BPO workers with regard to their concerns in their mental health
Mhm.
or their wellness or sorry, their well-being.
Well, ako, what I really love in Touch
Mhm.
CX. Wow, plug, nagpa-plug. No, I'm
Go.
sure meron din ito sa ibang company, I guess. Pero
Mm-mm.
we do have what we call Mind Nation. Like it's a Monday
Mm.
Mind Nation
Wow, I love
where
that. Mhm.
all employees can enroll. Meron siyang meditation and all that. Especially sa mga uh, well, this has actually started during the pandemic since everyone was working from home na
Mm.
yung iba nagkakaroon ng anxiety attack na nagkakaroon ng separation anxiety because
Mm, mm.
alam mo yon mag-isa lang compared before. So here comes Mind Nation, nagkakaroon ng meditation, nagkakaroon ng talk
Nice.
about mental health and stuff like that. And until now, it's still happening.